Okay, so we are still in Custer and we are going to be walking up to the Custer sign. And it's on the very top of a mountain. And supposedly at night it glows. It's kind of like the Hollywood sign, but it just glows during the night. So we are currently walking up the mountainside, I guess. Well, we just started. This is definitely more difficult than it looks. We aren't even there yet. And I'm already tired. You're the one, Bambi. Two Bambi.
Take your time.
So we found the Custer sign. We have to go through a little bit of an obstacle course trail. So apparently Custer sign is not up there. It's over there. I'll show you whenever we get closer. We finally found the Custer sign. And let me tell you, it's not an easy walk.